Hey guys, I'm showing you this NEVO RHINO hiking backpack. So we just get it to test and try. So this one can be used as an outdoor day pack. It's a waterproof, lightweight camping travel backpack for both men and women. So let's open it and see. You can see a compact thing here. So let's just open this. So after opening, you can see a waterproof backpack here with the straps and everything with the reflector strap as well. This is the waistband and then a comfortable back thing. It have a multiple pockets and also have this umbrella, like means there is raining, you can cover your bag with this supplied sheet. So it will become more back, waterproof, or there is no water on it. So there are like the small pockets that you can put in your small stuff, and there's a main pocket for the laptop, middle pocket for uh, you know like iPad or wallet or any other thing, and the multifunctional rubber band rope as well. You can see like you can store on your mobile or anything here, and then also just put in the small stuff. So you can store the laptop here and all other stuff and things. So it's pretty much a nice design to carry over all the things, and it have a small pockets as well, the side pockets for the water and thing, and then all other things to be used on the hiking or the trekking or anywhere you want. So the waistband that you can put, or you can put in the small things here like your mobile or other things. So these are the adjustable straps, so that's pretty easy, you can fit any size or the way you want. All these straps are adjustable with the reflective strips on the back. So this is comfortable, lightweight, and this comes on the wrist and the vest. So holds really well on your shoulders and is pretty comfortable. So as I mentioned, there is the rain umbrella sort of thing here that you can use to cover the backpack. So once this is covered, you can easily take it in the rain and it's totally protective. It's a very nice backpack for hiking as it have everything you want and easily carry on.